Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial from Biggerplate.com showing you how to add notes and comments to your MindMaster mind maps. Notes can just be a really useful way of putting additional information into your mind map without cluttering up the surface level, the surface view, while comments allow you to flag little pieces of information or little thoughts to colleagues who might be working on the map with you. So I'll show you how to do both in this video. So to add a note, you can either use the shortcut Command-T on a Mac or Control-T on a PC. You can come up to this top toolbar here and click Note, or you can right-click on the relevant topic that you want to add the note to, come up here and say Note. So here you'll see we get this little pop-out window that says Insert Note, and here I can write, this is a note. I click OK, and you'll see this little orange icon appears here, and if I hover over it, the text that I've written, i.e. the note itself, will appear as a little pop-out. I can then click on this note to edit the text within it, and to delete it, I can right-click on it and click Remove. Comments follow a similar pattern, so I can either use the shortcut Shift-Command-T on a Mac or Shift-Control-T on a PC. I can come up to the top toolbar here and click the comment button, or I can right-click on the relevant topic again and say Comment. And here I can say my colleague Liam, the founder of Biggerplate, Liam, this is for your attention. And if I say send, you'll see again we get this little icon here. It's got my username up here, so Liam, when he sees this, will know who it's from. And if I hover over this icon, you'll see it pops out again so we can see what it says. I can click on it and click Modify to change the comment that I've already written, or I can insert another one above. And equally to delete it, I can click Delete there, or I can come down, click on the icon here and click Remove. Hopefully that's all you need to start adding notes and comments to your MindMaster mind maps to help keep the surface level of your map nice and clear, but add lots of useful information below the surface. For more MindMaster templates, tutorials and training, visit Biggerplate.com.